welcome back to our channel. I'm Joanna.
And I'm Jonathan.
We are from Joe vs. John.
What are we going to do?
Okay, today we have accepted a saree challenge from our aunt.
Let's see what she has said.
அந்த சாரி சேலஞ்சை நான் இன்னும் ஒரு 3 பேருக்கு பாஸ் ஓவர் பண்ண போகிறேன். அது என்ன சேனல் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து ஜோ வர்சஸ் ஜான் அப்படின்ற சேனலில் அவங்களுக்கு நான் இந்த சாரி சேலஞ்ச் பாஸ் பண்ண போகிறேன். அந்த சேனல் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, கிட்ஸ் கண்டென்ட், அதாவது கிட்ஸோட ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் நிறைய இருக்கும். நிறைய யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக கிட்ஸ் என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்றத நிறைய போட்டிருக்காங்க. குக்கிங் கூட இன்க்ளூட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்கள் அந்த சேனல் போய் பாருங்கள், பார்த்து சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்கள் கிட்ஸ் இருந்தாங்கன்னா உங்கள் கிட்ஸ் கிட்டையும் காமிங்க. அந்த சேனலில் நான் இப்போ அவங்களுக்கு சாரி சேலஞ்ச் நான் கொடுக்க போகிறேன்.
This is the challenge we have accepted, and you can even subscribe to her channel, and her channel name is ABCDRB's Cooking Diary. So in this video, my mom has dressed up in a saree and she will be preparing a dish. Okay, now my mom is in the kitchen, so let's go to the kitchen now. Welcome to the magical kitchen here. Hi mommy.
Hi Joanna.
So you're dressed up in saree today.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you preparing today?
Today I'm going to prepare ghee rice.
A ghee rice? Okay, so what do we have here? What is this?
We
Rice?
have rice. For that I have taken basmati rice. Usually the ghee rice comes out well in basmati.
Okay. Green chili.
Yeah, and then the green chili, then some cashews, some spices.
Spices.
Yeah, we need fresh, good smelling ghee.
Ghee.
And then the onions and some ginger garlic paste.
Okay. We have a big cooker there.
Yeah, we are going to make ghee rice in a cooker. I have chosen this recipe because it's very simple, and your aunt Abisha, she likes it very much.
Okay.
First, I'm adding the ghee. Next, I'm going to add the cashews. The cashews add rich flavor.
A rich flavor.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like you're roasting them or?
Yeah, you have to roast it until it turns
Brown.
golden brown. Yeah. Next, we're going to add the spices. For spices, I have taken some bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon bars. Okay, you have to take only a little amount, otherwise it won't be too good.
Okay.
Now the cashews have turned golden brown. You have to take some green chilies. Only green chilies give the spice to the ghee rice. I have just made some slits here. Okay, you don't have to cut it or chop it. You just can make thin slits.
Okay.
Next, the onions.
Okay.
You can chop it like this.
Nice. All of them?
Yeah. Okay. The onions are slightly fried now. Once it starts turning golden brown, you can add ginger garlic paste.
All of them?
Not all of it.
Why are you adding them?
This adds some spice to the food.
Okay.
The spice to the ghee rice comes from these chilies and the ginger garlic paste.
How about the spices you add?
That gives smell, the nice smell that you get, right? Okay. Once the ginger garlic paste is added, you have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stick to the pan.
Okay.
And now we have to add the salt.
Okay. I again smell ghee.
Okay, the next step is very important. Adding water. Okay. Okay. For cooking rice, normally we take 1:2 ratio. But for making ghee rice or anything with basmati, you have to take 1:1.5 ratio. That means 1 glass. If you take 1 glass of basmati rice, you have to add 1.5 cups of water. So I have added accordingly, and now we have to wait until it comes to a boil.
Okay.
Now the water is already boiled now. As you see, you have to put the rice inside. As you see, the rice have soaked well, and you have to soak the rice only just before starting this ghee rice. You don't have to soak it for half an hour, more than half an hour.
Okay.
And one more thing, that you have to use only ghee. You should never add oil for the ghee rice.
Done putting the rice in.
Yeah. And then you just have to stir it once. Don't do too much of stirring.
Okay, goody. Closing.
Yeah. I'm going to close the cooker and keep it for 10 minutes. Yummy ghee rice will be ready in just 10 minutes.
Okay, so that's why you said that it's simple.
Yeah.
On. Okay, now let's move on to the next dishes.
Goes well with chicken gravy or egg curry, and maybe if you're vegetarian, you can have some veg kurma with that. Today I thought I'll make some chicken gravy and show you.
Okay, so that's what you have there. So we have the things here to make chicken gravy. Okay, so what do we have?
So we have oil first, oil, and then the spices, the ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder, onions, tomatoes, and chicken. And then here are a few items to grind. Fennel seeds, which is sombu, and this is coconut and green chilies.
Okay, let's start making chicken gravy. Another big pan. Is that a pan or a pot? Pot, right?
Yeah. First you add oil. Adding oil, you have to add the spices. Again, you have to take only a little bit of spices. Okay. So I have taken all this. Bay leaves, cinnamon bar, cloves, and ilachi.
And lunch. We have tomatoes and onions.
Yeah, next you have to add the onions.
We have few tomatoes in there.
After adding the onions, you have to add the ginger garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste. So this is also like for the taste, right?
Yeah.
I guess because you added this for the taste last time, like for the ghee rice. So probably it's for this too.
Once the onions turn golden brown, we have to add the tomatoes. Okay. Okay, stir it well. Then soon after you add the tomatoes, you can add the turmeric powder and the salt.
Okay. So together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are actually got blended with the onions and oil. So it's time to add the chili powder and coriander powder. Okay?
Okay.
There you go. Okay, after adding the powders, you have to add the
Chicken.
yeah. Nicely mix it.
It looks like sauce. Chicken with sauces.
Chicken wings.
Yeah, chicken with wings. Juicy chicken wings. Or something like a Manchurian or something.
Yeah. So I have ground the coconut, green chilies and fennel base. And I'm going to add it here.
Okay. It become a gravy.
Yeah.
Gravy.
You just have to cook it another 5 more minutes, and then the chicken gravy is all done.
Okay. First it looks like some sauce on chicken, but now it looks like a gravy.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think my mom has mixed it. I'm going to see how it is. Wow, it looks so delicious. It's hot. It's so delicious. I don't know where's my mom, and it's still cooking. Okay, let me go grab her now. Where's my mom? Oh, hi mom. What are you doing there?
Wait.
I'm hungry. I want to see.
Okay, it's almost ready. Did you see the ghee rice?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
I
ready.
opened it.
Oh, you opened it. Okay, just wait for another 10 more minutes.
Okay.
Your chicken will also be done.
Okay. Goody.
Yeah, the gravy is almost done now.
We will see you after we set the table. My mom is setting the table.
Chana, lunch is ready. Can we call Daddy?
Okay. I'll go call them.
Jana, lunch is ready.
I started watching the movie.
Oh, you started watching the movies. It's so interesting. Okay, come, let's eat.
Okay. Thanks, Amisha Aunty, for tagging us. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, smash that like button.